Hi everybody, today we're going to have a look at y-intercepts. So a y-intercept is the location where a graph crosses the y-axis. If we look at this green line, it's crossing the y-axis, the vertical axis, at 0, 6. We go 0 across and then we go 6 up. The red horizontal line crosses at 0, 5. That's this value here. The blue line, this one, crosses at 0 across and then 1 up, so 0, 1. And this purple line doesn't have a y-intercept because it never crosses the y-axis. So just to be clear, the red, blue and green lines have y-intercepts, but a vertical line does not. Now we can also see a we can also see a y-intercept in a table. So what we do is we look where x is 0. So here are all the points, or here are some points on the green line. That's this line here. And we can see that at 0, 6, where x is 0, it tells us where the y-intercept is. So it'll be at 0, 6. So, continuing from that, sometimes we won't be given the y-intercept and we'll have to figure it out, usually by interpolation or extrapolation. So that's what taking the information that we have and applying it to something else. So we can see from this table that we've been given so far that each time it's going down by 2. Can you see that? So that will help us because then we can predict what the next one will be. So if this will goes down by another 2 from -2, so it will go from 0 to -2. Where's my black one gone? There it is. Where am I? I'm lost. So that would be 3 and that would be 0. And then it would go down another 2 to get to 2, 2. And now we could get to the next one, which would be 1 and 4. And that would be -2. And the more important one that we've been trying to get to the whole time is to 0, 6. Now once we get to 0, 6, in this part here we used interpolation because we were between two known points. 0, 6 is extrapolation because it's outside the points that we've been given. So 0, 6, we've located our y-intercept. We could now start graphing it. We'd have a gradient and a y-intercept. We can do the same thing with a graph. So here's a graph, and that's the interpolated point because it's between 2 points. Here are the extrapolated points. We could extend the line, see where it crosses the y-axis, and would locate the y-intercept here at 0, 6. So finding the y-intercept is relatively easy. We either look at where it crosses the y-axis on a graph, or we find out where x equals 0 and the corresponding y value. Either of those will work. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.